Okay, in this video we're going to go over a dead bug variation with the chest press. So we're working on keeping the core nice and tight to minimize the movement in the lower back as we move our arms and legs in a reciprocal pattern. So very diagonal, so it's going to be opposite arm, opposite leg moving. And the whole, again, purpose of this exercise is to keep this tight. Keep it as a great place to generate force and allow the arms and legs to move effortlessly. So as far as setup, I have a dumbbell here. You can always use a kettlebell as well. I think to start, maybe it'll be easiest to maneuver with a dumbbell. It's just easier to manage. So what you're gonna do is lie on your back. In order to protect your back and your shoulders, when you get the weight into a start position, I want you to lie on your side. Grab the weight with both hands and move as a unit, so hips, shoulders move together as you come to the start position. So I'm going to choose my right arm as my start, actually my left arm, as my starting side. And what you're going to do with the legs, get into a 90-90 position. So go ahead and get your core tight, sustain that tightness as you breathe in, opposite arm, opposite leg, move. Breathe out as you press and return everything to the start position. So if you have any discomfort in the shoulder or clicking, you can either A, use a lighter weight, or B, choose a different angle. So you can have elbow close to your side as one angle, 45-degree angle, which is halfway between, a 90-degree angle. I would not suggest having the elbow out in line with the shoulder. That's usually the most provocative position for people, especially if you're not used to chest pressing. And again, make sure that the wrists and elbow are in line as you let that dumbbell down and then press up. If you're still having clicking, reset your shoulder blades. So the shoulder blades should be lightly down and back against the spine to engage those stabilizing muscles before you move from the shoulder joint itself. That might help clear up some things just to keep things in line. And so as far as dismounting or getting the weight off to the side, you're going to do the opposite of what you did to get to the start position. So feet are going to be down, core is going to be tight, you're going to roll as a unit to the side, set the weight down, let go, push yourself up. You can rest, if you had more than one set, of course, just keep the weight close by you. Maybe just keep it tucked and resting on your chest. 30-second rest break before you do the sequence again. But when you're done with the exercise, please make sure to start and end with that log roll technique of keeping your shoulders and hips in line, just to make sure to protect your shoulder joint and your back. So that is the dead bug variation with a chest press.